Are you tired of leads slipping through the cracks because your Carrot website and follow-up boss aren't talking to each other? First, you'll need to log into your Carrot account and navigate to the specific landing page where you want to capture leads. Click on the Edit button for that page. Once you're in the page editor, look for the section labeled something like Form Settings, Integrations, or Third-Party Connections. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Carrot theme. Now, switch over to your Follow-Up Boss account. Go to Admin, then API. You'll find your Follow-Up Boss API key here. Copy this key to your clipboard. Remember to keep this key private. Head back to your Carrot page editor. In the integration settings, paste the Follow-Up Boss API key into the designated field. You might also need to select Follow-Up Boss from a list of available integrations. Next, map the fields from your Carrot lead capture form to the corresponding fields in Follow-Up Boss, such as matching the name field in Carrot to the name field in Follow-Up Boss. Do this for email, phone number, and any other relevant fields. Save your changes in Carrot, and then test the integration by submitting a test lead through your Carrot landing page. Then, immediately check your Follow-Up Boss account to confirm that the test lead appears. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated your Carrot website with Follow-Up Boss, and you are now ready to capture more leads and close more deals.